It's imperative that you have a bedside table directly next to your bed. On that bedside table, you may want to have a coffee cup if you like coffee, for someone to put you some coffee in, and it can stay warm throughout the day. Or you can also use soups so it can stay hot throughout the day. Make sure you have some lotion because you're going to be feeling chapped and your lips are going to be feeling chapped. So you should also have some lip balm or some type of lip gloss. But if you don't have that, you can put lotion on your face and on your lips, and it will prevent your lips from being chapped. You need some type of ice bucket or some type of cooler that you can keep your drinks in to make sure that they stay cold. I have regular bubbly water. I have regular water. I have different types of flavored water. And yes, you also see a soda. You also may want to have something to eat in between your medications because you're going to be on heavy medications. So you want to make sure that you have something to put into your stomach. And it may be a while before somebody can bring you some food. So this way you can help yourself. So have you some honey graham crackers or some type of soda crackers and an avocado. You can eat the avocado for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or you can eat it for all three. Make sure you have a utensil, a spoon, and a fork to eat your avocado with. And make sure you have your medicines labeled next to the bed. Now, I know that our medications are already labeled, but if you take a Sharpie and you make it larger, it may be easier for other people to give it to you that have problems with their vision. So make sure you keep your pain medication, whatever you're using, nausea, whatever you have been prescribed, make sure you keep it close to you in the event that you have to monitor your own medications and give yourself your own medications. With that being said, you will also have that business center in which you're going to write down when you give yourself the medications or when you take those medications so that you do not take too much or take too little. So having a bedside table next to your bed is imperative in helping you when you're on total bed rest. A bedside table business center is just awesome for those people who want to continue doing their businesses, continue content creation, continue doing those things which you normally do and you normally handle. So this bedside table, bought from Amazon, has electrical components for you to plug up your tablet, your phone, etc. On the business table, you have your utilities to write with. You have your tablet or your laptop. You have your planner. And you have the remote controls because you're going to be using those a lot to watch the shows that you would like to watch. Make sure you have colored pencils inside of your container so that in case you want to doodle, you have that space too. So make sure you have different color pencils, pens, pencils, and markers so that you can handle business, but you can also continue to write the vision and make it plain in your planner as God is going to be downloading so many things to you and you don't want to miss them. So make sure you write them down inside of your planner. Also with your planner, I hope it's very versatile so that you can keep up with your bills when things are due, when things have cleared, because this business center is an ultimate buy. It's just like a hospital one, except it has electrical hookup components in which we all need. While we're on bed rest does not mean we cannot be productive.